Good morning everyone. How are you? I hope you are fit and fine. Friends, in our previous videos, we have solved some miscellaneous question. And now we are on question number 10 of exercise 3. So let us start with A part of this. In A part you have given that 12,580 books were there in a school library. Then 5,895 more books were added. We have to find that what is the total number of books available in the school library. Means we have to find the total. Means first of all we have to generalize this question. And when we will generalize it, then suppose there are 100 books in the library. Then 10 more is added. Then what will be the total sum? So for that what we will do? We will have to add them. So same thing we will repeat here or do here. First of all we write books in library. Books in library. How many they are? They are 12,580. Now more books added means that much more they may have purchased. So that is 5,895. We have to find the total number of books. Now total number of books. So for that what we will do? We will have to just add them. And when we will add 5 plus 0, 5, 8 plus 9, 17, then 1 carry, then 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 8, it is 14, then 1 carry, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 5, it is 8, and this one. So how many books, total books now there? There are 18,475 books now. Now we have to find the estimated answer. So for estimation, now estimated books. Estimated means if we round off this, then we have to round off near about how much? Near about 1,000. So when we will just round off near about 1,000, then we have to encircle this digit. Now see the digit just before this. Here this digit is less than 5. So this number will remain same and the rounded number will be 1, 8, and here it is less than 5, so it will become 0, 0, 0. That much books will be the right answer. This is your A part. Now same is the C part. So let us start it. Solution of C part. Student, in this question you have given that a pack of files contain 37 files. Means in one pack there are 37 files. Then we have to find how many files will be there in 56 such pack. We have to find the total file in 56 packs. So what we will do? We will write number of files in one pack. How many they are? They are 37. And we have to find how many files? Number of files in 56 packs. So how many? You know, in 56 obviously there will be more files, and so more for more you will have to multiply them. So you will get 37 multiply 56. Here you have to write the multiplied number, and inside you will just multiply it. You write here 37 and you have to multiply it by 56. Then you will get 6 7 ja 42, 4 carry, 6 3 ja 18, 18 plus 4, 22. Here you write cross or you can write 0. Now 5 7 ja 35, then 3 carry, 5 3 ja 15, 15 plus 3, 18. So what will be the addition? It will be 2, 7, 8 plus 2, 10, 1 plus 1, 2. So how many files will be there? There will be 2072 files. This will be the answer. So this is the C part. Now let us move to the last part, that is D. First of all, start reading the statement in this question. What you have given, start reading. Stand in this D part. We have given that a school raises rupees 8,420 towards donation from 2,108 students. Then what is the contribution of each student? This we have to find out. Contribution of all. So let us start this. This is the D part. Here we have given, first we write total donation. Total donation. That is given by the student. It is how much? Rupees 84,320. That much donation is given by the student. And how many students were there? Now total students. How many they are? They are 2,108. That much students were there. We have to find the contribution of each student. So therefore, contribution of each student. Before solving it, let us generalize this question. When we generalize, then if there are, suppose 100 rupees collection is total there, and total there are 20 students, then how many each will contribute? It means what we will do? We have to divide that 20 by 100 by 20. So what we will get? We will get 5. And same thing we have to do here. Here this is the total donation and this is the total number of students. So to find the contribution of each, we have to divide it. We write 84,320 divided by 2,108. So here we will write the answer and inside we will divide. We write 2108 and here 84,320. So let us divide it. Now 21 4 ja 84. So here we write 4. 4 8 ja 32. 3 carry, then 4 0 ja 0. 0 plus 3 3. 4 1 ja 4. 4 2 ja 8. How much will left? 0. Now take the next digit, that is 0. Now 2,108 0 ja 0 and we get the remainder 0. Means how much is the quotient we are having? We are having quotient rupees 40. So it is equal to rupees 40. So in the last we write therefore each student have donated rupees 40. So this is the answer of this question. So student, as you know, tomorrow there is a activity period and you have to do activity on COVID-19. So for that you have to collect the data of your 5 neighboring states and echo of the patient of corona recently, and you have to draw the bar graph on that basis. So this is for the day. Thank you.